If you've got 2 days, a block to walk, and a bit of hustle, you can make $200 this weekend. Let me show you 5 ways to stack quiet money. No screens, no scam, bundle simple services, sweeping, pulling weeds, trash pickup. Offer $50 to $75 per property. 2 clients equals $150 easy. Neighbors are buying from IKEA every weekend. Offer to assemble or mount TVs, shelves, art, $30 to $50 per project. Offer 2-hour time blocks at your home or theirs. Cap at 3 kids x $20 each equals $60 per hour. Quiet toys, snacks, chill atmosphere. Hit early sales. Look for underpriced electronics, furniture, or tools. Repost them immediately on FB Marketplace for double. Make a signature tray, mac and cheese, empanadas, banana pudding. Pre-sell locally through text or word of mouth. $40 plus per tray. You don't need an app or a business card, just a little hustle and some smart timing. Start with one of these plays this weekend, and build from there.